So hi everyone, at this question. First of all, read the question carefully. The equation for real gas is given by P plus A by V square V minus B RT. What is P? P, T, R, their pressure, volume, temperature, and gas constant. So we need to find the dimension of AB power minus 2. Yeah. What is the dimension of this quantity? Yeah. Now, equation is given like P plus A by V square multiply V minus B is equal to R. Now, if you look at carefully, we can add A by V square. If you look at this, P plus A by V square. We can add pressure to A by V square. This is different physical, this different quantity. There is different physical quantity. This is different physical quantity. Okay. So we can add two physical quantity only when they have same dimension as per principle of homogeneity. Clear? So dimension of P is equal to the dimension of A by V square. They have same dimension. The pressure is force by area. Force by area. Dimension of A. Volume is LQ. So it will be L to the power 6. L square is there. Force mass into acceleration. Acceleration is velocity by time. Velocity is displacement by time. Is LT minus 2. Area is L square. So dimension of A will be how much? L to the power 6 is 4. 4 how much? Dimension of A comes out to be ml to the power 5 e to the power minus 2. Now, similar way, we will look at this problem. Dimension of B is equal to the dimension of B. So, what is the dimension of volume? L cube. Clear? Now, what they are asking? AB minus 2. So, AB minus 2 will be what? Like this. Dimension of A, dimension of B minus 2. Dimension of A will be how much? M L to the power 5 power minus 2. Clear? Dimension of B to the power minus 2. L to the power minus 6. So what we get is 5, okay? It is 5. ml minus 1, t minus 2. Yeah. Now, this is actually, if you remember, this is the dimension of energy per unit volume. ml minus 1, t minus 2. I can show you also, for example, work is energy, work per unit volume. Dimension of work is ml square, t minus 2. And what is our dimension of volume? L cube. So it will be ml minus 1, t minus 2. So right answer is energy density. Clear? You can check like each option, but by looking this dimension, you should think that this dimension is almost similar to energy density. Yeah. So right option is option 4. So principle of homogeneity we have used two physical quantity we can add or subtract it together only when they have same dimension. Okay, when they have same dimension means they are dimensionally homogenized. Okay, I hope this doubt is clear.